You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Pipe layer. Amazing! Reinforcements and communications. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all. You're doing really great. To assemble, concrete pump.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
You're doing really great. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on the tool that will help We did it! Foundation. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Concrete pump. Done! You're doing really great. Assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Don't stop. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Hooray! Hooray! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Drag the part to the right place. Tap on the objects one by one till we're done. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Ready. Hooray! Fill it. Lift crane. We did it! Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to keep building. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Move the gearbox lever. Pull the lever up for the vehicle to move. for the vehicle to move. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Lift crane. Drag the foamer onto the machine to soap it up. Move the foamer around the machine to foam the machine. Ready. You're doing really great.